Hello there. Today I'm gonna review those two combs for pets, especially for cats. I ordered them on iHerb and I'm really satisfied from this purchase. I had and I have this one. It's kind of what do we call it? Cat slicker, in Russian Pуходерка. Yes, and it's I bought it maybe 3-4 years ago and it costs really cheap, about maybe $1 or $2. So, and it works great. Before I used to use Furminator and for my cat fur it didn't work well, so I decided to stick on this cheap cat slicker. And recently, while searching iHerb on pet categories, for pet items category, I found these two combs. This one is cat slicker with button and really useful, and this one just looks like as a usual comb, but it's really great for thin-haired pets. And it works for my Scottish Fold. She has really bad quality of her fur, and she lost her fur like maybe 12 months per year, and it seems to me that it didn't like better further. So I've read a lot about how to better like pet's fur, and I read that all pet lovers they usually comb their pet almost every day. So I decided to try it and I found out that it really works. When it comes to like compare my old cat slicker and this one, the new one from Safari, the last one works much better, and it has the like bigger scale, and the most useful thing is this button, because when I used to comb my cat with this cat slicker, I had to clean all this fur by my fingers. So in that case, I just have push this button and just clean all fur. Let's like see how it works. Oh, there is my beautiful cat, and look, I tried to comb her, and when it comes to other cats, okay, like this maybe, when it comes to other cats, they really hate to be combed. So my princess love it. So yesterday I've already combed her, and I suppose that today but we'll see. You see, it works. And you have to just push this button and this button and just take all fur and to continue to comb. Yeah, it's great. And when it comes to like this shaped like comb with teeth, and they are rounded and with different lengths, so it works to comb out all like dead furs and I don't know how to say. She just ran away, and it works, you know, really smooth and without any hurting. So I think it works great. But usually I use this comb after using cat slicker, just to comb out, I think, all dead furs. I think this comb will work better on short fur dogs, maybe. So it's universal, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, it's just they wrote it that it's only for cats, cat comb for all breeds of cats. So yeah, but I think for dogs, not like big middle sized dogs, it will work great. That's it. I think this review was useful. If you have any questions, just write me and I will answer it at no time.